Alright everyone, now let's implement updating a student. So far, when we click a student, we go to the detail page and see their information. Now we want to add an edit student feature. First, inside the student detail page, we add a link. This link will navigate to a dynamic route, for example, form, edit, and then the student ID. If the ID is 1, it goes to form edit 1. If the ID is 2, it goes to form edit 2. This is a dynamic route. Next, we create the folder structure. Inside the form folder, we create an edit folder. And inside that, we create a dynamic folder using slug. Then inside it, we create page.js. Now we need to get the ID from the URL. So we write const slug equals await params. This slug represents our student ID. Next, we need to fetch that student. So we create a function like getStudent and send a request to our backend. We call localhost 3005 students and then the ID. Then we convert the response using awaitResponse.json. Now we have the student object. Next step, we don't write the form directly here. Instead, we create a reusable component. For example, edit form. Then we pass the student data as props. Edit form with student equals student. Now, inside this component, we can access all student data and pre-fill the form inputs. So the user sees existing values and can update them. Later, we will handle form submission, validation, and the update request. So the flow is simple. Click Edit, go to Dynamic Edit route, get ID from params. Fetch student data, pass it to the form component, and render a pre-filled form. And that's the foundation of the update feature. Next, we'll complete it with validation and submit logic.